I'll take a picture of me. You take a picture of me.
Hi guys, welcome to a new
And
vlog.
if it's a video, $300 in there.
Boy,
$300, bro. If you put me
shut
a video.
up.
$300.
We're on a boat on our way back to San Francisco because we went to
You saw that?
the Alcatraz Island. My bad, I said that wrong, guys. Sorry.
You were both moving.
Well, it was a fun experience. He's like waving at people. He's such a weirdo. I swear he's like something else.
How long did it take to get a soda?
I have clips of the island, so I hope you guys enjoy them. And you guys can tell by my voice, I'm sick. Because you're gorgeous.
I know I am.
That's a funny lie. Guys, we're in a tunnel. We're gonna die.
Don't put me in this. Don't put me in this.
She's scared.
I'm not scared.
The air is closed. But we went up in the air is closed.
And so that we are in Alcatraz, room of the gallery.
And I think it started with the application of Alcatraz.
It was so not Indian.
But I would like to see if any.
In this next clip, you can see that there is a hole under the sink. That is where the prisoners escaped.
Oh shoot.
Oh, yeah. I would not have walked up those stairs.
Hey, hold on. Let me see. What does that say?
We made it out alive, guys. Guys.
We're not out yet.
We still gotta go
Well,
on the boat.
we're out. We're on the island. We're good.
We're throwing him down.
Yeah, exactly.
We gotta have some sort of distraction, Chris.
We gotta make this trip fun.
You're
You know?
swimming with
Like,
the sharks.
Hella fun.
Baby shark. That's all you gotta
Don't know
do.
him.
That's all you gotta do, Chris. You're recording or?
All the way over there. Ah, there's a shark right there! Man, just kidding, guys, I got you! Guys, we're live! We're alive!
We've officially.
Something you gotta say?
No, only that you're ugly.
Thanks. You don't have to remind me every day.
Don't worry.